Stick that in your pocket. There's your headphones.
Okay. What about this thing that's hanging? Okay. What am I doing? Oh, you're trying to get me to speak?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, hi, Leon, and welcome to San Salvador. Welcome to the home of Rennet and Janet's store. And I needed to do it towards you?
Yeah, if I'm talking, try and point it towards me, and then you'll be able to hear me, I suppose.
Hi, Leon. This is my prize tree.
You're quite presentery when you're doing it. Quite good.
Morning. Leon, let's go. We're going to see Miss Ruth at Ruthie's place. A few days ago, we decided to feed Leon some grits, and he wanted to know, what is it?
Bad sound, eh?
So when you can't take a swim, you grind some corn, and it's the same backstroke, forward stroke.
So where are we going, Janet?
We're going to a secret little place that's called the Cove. It's the queen conch, and this is a Bahamian delicacy. Oh, he's not shy anymore. He was coming out. Ah, he's coming out just to meet you, Leon. That's Leon. We're not going to eat you. We're just hoping that he comes and show you how to do the conch hop.
People love conch, eh?
It is delicious, Leon.
Okay, today, Leon, we'll go and meet Mrs. Hannah. She's the lady that is in charge of the lighthouse, the Dixon Hill Lighthouse in San Salvador.
And this has been for 2 hours now.
Yeah, 2 hours.
What happens at the end of 2 hours?
I have to come back up and repeat the same thing. Crank her back up, crank the cable back up so she will rotate for another 2 hours.
For the whole night?
All night.
This is boiled fish.
Yes, this is boiled fish.
For breakfast.
Yes, for breakfast. This is yours.
Now I gotta ask the question now. You didn't find out about San Salvador and Christopher Columbus?
I was hoping to find out when I was here.
You should have come here with that knowledge. Christopher Columbus discovered the New World. You know that?
Yeah.
And San Salvador was the first landfall. You know that? You learned that in school, right, Leon?
Yes.
I know you did.
Should be able to hear?
No,
Can you hear now?
not at all.
Nothing at all?
Is this on in the pocket?
Oh, no, wait. No. Can you hear now?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Why take so long?
Your team gonna get back?
Yeah, we can be back in this in the next 2 seconds.
Do you think I should take this jacket then or leave
Yeah, I tell you, take it. If we need it, we use it. If we don't need it, we don't use it.
it? Are you a bit worried that I'm going to look a bit scruffy if I don't take the jacket?
No.
I'll put the jacket on then, see what you think.
Okay.
Hold the camera. Better?
Yeah, you look dressed. We're at Club Med, and we're now waiting and anticipating to be around the world.
We saw Oprah Winfrey and we saw Arnold Schwarzenegger.
I don't see London represented here, but
Be ripped off.
well, you just enjoy. You're a Bahamian tonight.
You saw all these people in London?
There, wax in the wax museum.
Oh, in the wax museum.
Do you want the cocktail? I'm
That's
gonna
good.
give you one. It's enough?
Yes.
Cheers.
Do you want to boo me?
Yeah, okay.
I guess it's goodbye then, guys.
We're crying now because you're leaving. So we hope, like you promised, we'll see you in October on the 12th.
Alright then, guys, let's disconnect this sound gear then.
Okay.
Ready?